Apple's iPhone 16 has seen a strong start in China, with sales up 20% in the first 3 weeks compared to the previous year's iPhone 15. That's according to Counterpoint Research. This does mark a positive signal for Apple in a market where it has faced stiff competition from local rivals such as Huawei, Vivo, and Xiaomi. Sales of the high-end iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models grew by over 40%, driven by consumer preference for these premium models. This uptick in sales comes at a crucial time for Apple, as the Chinese market remains one of the most competitive globally. Despite these gains, Apple still faces challenges, including Huawei's strong performance with the Mate 60 series and upcoming product launches from competitors. However, looking at Apple's seasonal trend, the stock typically performs well between mid-October and early November, with a robust 144.25% annualized return, a win rate of 72%, and an average return of just over 4.5%. So, is this a good time to look for potential buying opportunities for investors looking to capitalize on Apple's bullish momentum as it navigates the Chinese markets? Now, technically, if we look at the China 50, you can see at the time of making this video that price is trying to break out of the weekly chart, pushing above that 230 trend line. It's a kind of bullish flag pattern, though the flag is not ideal with this indentation from this large candle here. You can see, broadly speaking, it still shows compulsive moves, a symmetrical triangle stroke flag pattern, and then a breakout to the upside, which could target a measured move to the upside. Now, there are risks with this outlook, and the main risk, of course, is that if there is a US election with Donald Trump winning, that could be a return to the White House where we see some significant tariffs return that could slow both global trade and growth, and would likely to weigh not only on Apple share prices but also share prices around the world. Remember, don't just trade it. Season Exit, come along here to Season X, where you can find literally thousands more seasonal insights that are just waiting to be revealed.